Today, let's make espresso with a portable espresso maker, Staresso. It's a manual device with a cool design. It looks like a rocket when sitting on its foldable stand. Here we have the lid and the plunger. At the bottom, there's a cup and a basket holder with two spouts. It includes a 54mm pressurized basket. The base of the water chamber has a shower screen. My Staresso is an older version, and they've updated the basket holder in the new model, which unfortunately isn't compatible with mine. However, you can still upgrade to a non-pressurized basket for a better quality shot. This setup is perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Now, let's make the coffee. First, weigh 15 to 16 grams of beans. Since it's a portable espresso maker, I'll use a portable hand grinder. I'm using the EasyPresso K Max, a versatile grinder suitable for both filter coffee and espresso. Aim for espresso grinds, and spray some water to prevent static. It only takes about 45 seconds to grind 15 grams of beans into fine espresso grinds. Staresso uses a pressurized basket, making it quite forgiving when it comes to grind size. The 54mm basket is very handy, and I can find compatible accessories like this dosing ring for easier puck preparation. Using a WDT to distribute the grounds more evenly can enhance extraction. Sure, you can skip this step if you prefer. It fits any 54mm tamper. I use the tamper from the Breville Barista Pro, and it works perfectly. Now, assemble the coffee maker, place it on the stand, and fill the water chamber with boiling water. Put the lid on and release the plunger by twisting it. First, press the plunger 10 times. This mimics the pre-infusion of an espresso machine, where water wets the grounds first for better extraction. Wait for 5 seconds, then push the plunger at a consistent pace. I can notice some resistance, but it's not difficult to push. Aim for 2 seconds per pump. The only issue is that the space below the spout is quite narrow, so fitting a scale might be tough. Some users have customized a new stand to solve this problem. All you need is a coffee grinder, hot water, and some coffee beans, and you're all set to pull a perfect shot of espresso. Simple as that. Look at the crema. The shot looks great and is comparable to many entry-level machines. Cleaning is also straightforward. Dump out the water and used grounds, then rinse every part thoroughly. Just don't forget to rinse the shower screen and basket filter. This is the Staresso, a perfect alternative for making espresso at home without needing to buy an espresso machine. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.